Hello students, welcome to my class. Now in last class we have discussed that the quadratic equation solving by factorization method and the completing square method. Beside that also we are having one more method that is known as the solving of quadratic equation by quadratic formula or by applying quadratic formula. So solving of quadratic equation in writing by applying quadratic formula. This is also known as the Sridhar Acharya's method. Sridhar Acharya's method that mathematician Sridhar Acharya has given that one. So that's why it is called the Sridhar Acharya's method. Now, how we can get that method? Consider the standard form of the equation. We know ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You know a should not be equal to 0. Now this can be written also ax square plus bx is equal to minus. Then it will be a should be removed. That is equal to a divided by the a, then it will be perfect square form. So divide this one, you will get x square plus b by ax is equal to minus c by a. By the completing square method, what we have done in that method, we will try to find out this one. So it is x square plus 2 into x. You are having b by ax. That to be written as b. So bx already has come. In the denominator a should be, and that 2 be cancelled means b by 2a it will be. So it is a square plus 2ab. So b is your b by 2a. To get the formula we need b by 2a ka whole square. So right side also will be added same thing, b by 2 ka whole square, or you can say b square by 4a square. Its square means b square by 4a square. So this one is coming x plus b by 2a ka whole square is equal to, if we do the simplification there, you will get 4a square. That is a, if you divide, then you will get 4a means minus 4ac plus b square, or simply you can say b square minus 4ac. That is what? X plus b by 2a ka whole square. So what you can get, x plus b by 2a is equal to root under b square minus 4ac by 4a square. But not only that, if square is equal to this one, so this one will be plus minus that one. Or you can say that is equal to plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 4a square means it will be 2a. So x plus b by 2a is equal to this one. Or you can say after that, you can rub now this one. So you will get here x equal to, if you have taken that side, it will be minus b by 2a plus root under plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Or ultimately 2a may be the LCM. So you can get 2a minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. So these are the two roots. If one root is your alpha, that is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac plus minus, if suppose alpha is taken plus by 2a, and beta to be minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. These two solution or these two roots I got. So this is b square minus 4ac under root you are having. On the basis of that value, we can get the roots of the equation. This b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant of the equation. That is known as discriminant of the equation. After that we can do, that is b square minus 4ac is called, that expression is called the discriminant. it will decide the root. Discriminant, that is denoted by d, equal to b square minus 4ac. If that is greater than equal to 0, then roots are possible. So that's why we can say if d, that is discriminant, is greater than equal to 0, then roots are real. Clearly the roots will be real, and that's why we can say the roots can be, if we say alpha, it will be minus b plus root d by 2a, and second root beta equal to minus b minus root d by 2a. These two roots you are having, minus b plus root d by 2a as well as minus b minus root d by 2a. These two roots directly we can calculate, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Using that formula we can find out the roots of the equation, and some question we will discuss now by applying this formula. Now any one question, suppose you are having a question in your exercise also you are having, that is question number 4. Simply how can we find out, how can we get the roots of the equation? By applying formula. This formula is given by Indian mathematician Sridhar Acharya. So according to his name, this formula is also known as the Sridhar Acharya's formula. Now applying this formula, a quadratic formula, how can we solve the equation? Quadratic equation. Just say for example one question you are having, suppose 4, that question is having 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So how can we solve this equation? So this equation, given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, standard form of that equation, you will compare with the standard form, where a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 4. So first of all you got this one. So first you will find out the d. What is the formula for d? D is equal to, we know, b square minus 4ac. So here b means 1 minus 4a, 2 into minus 4. So ultimately 1 minus plus 16 to 32. It is coming 33. It should be greater than equal to 0. Already 33 greater than 0. So what we can say, roots are real. Then what will be the root? From the formula, by quadratic formula, we get the roots that is, suppose alpha equal to minus b plus root d by 2a. So it will be minus b means minus 1 plus root d, d means 33 means root d also 33 by 2a means 2 into 2 or 4. So minus 1 plus root 33 by 4. Similarly second root beta equal to minus b minus root d by 2a. So here also you will get same thing, that is minus 1 minus root 33 by 2a means 4. So in this way two roots we got. Then how many? That's why you can find out any quadratic equation if you have, then we can find out the roots by applying this formula. So in this way, in the beginning few questions we will practice, and then we will go to the others question in the next period also. So today you will practice only question number 1 to 24 from your exercise 4C. Exercise 4C from 1 to 24, that question to be practiced. And then after that also some more, that is A, B, like that one questions we will have, we will practice that one.